Meme review. uh, Hello everybody. This is my new series. Just for the just from start, I will say I'm talking on top of my lung. So if I sound little bit weird, if I don't know what I'm talking about, don't be surprised. So today we are going to talk about Initial D. I think because initially it has 6 seasons. It has extra stage and battles. I don't know. It's really long. I think when I calculated it, it had I think about 100 episodes. So it's not short, but okay. Today we are going to talk about the first stage and the beginning of everything. So what is the story? So basically this guy Takumi going to go on a little bit rant right now. Every time here someone say his name Takumi, they always say Takumi. It's fucking Takumi, but Takumi. The dub said it perfectly in the sub. Takumi, not Takumi. Heyo, hey. Heyo. Hey. I had to go to the bathroom. So what was I talking about? I think, yes, Takumi and Takumi. Okay, forget about that. So the story. So basically, this dude runs a tofu delivery every day in the morning at 4 a.m. and one day he stumbles upon how should I say it? An enemy stand user. Yes, JoJo reference. So enemy team member, and his name is Keisuke Takahashi, and he runs FD RX-7, which is pretty cool. Authority engine, respect. And he wins, the Takumi wins, and the story just goes from there. They go on a totally bizarre adventure on these JoJo references. And so first stage, I think most people they quit initially because of the graphics. So graphics PS1 level, but on the second stage graphics are PS2 level. It's sick, bro. Sicko mode. So characters, we obviously have the main protagonist Takumi Fujiwara. The main allies in first stage are Iketani, Itsuki, his friend, Iketani's friend. What's his name? Kenji, that's right. So Kenji and Takumi's girlfriend Natsuki. They are enemies, so I already said the Rotary brothers, Ryosuke and Keisuke. They're more like rivals, not as allies like in the fourth. Or even basically after the first stage. The music. Let me talk about music. Eurobit. It's probably the greatest thing that they could put in this anime for the soundtrack. It's epic, it's heroic, it's just great. What else? So if you want, you can watch the Mother's Basement video initially. Yeah, another thing, there are maybe 2 or 3, maximum 5 reviews of Initial D on YouTube, and Mother's Basement is probably the best and the most thought out. So if you watch Initial D throughout, so basically from first to the final stage, you will get this knowledge of cars. You don't have to be a cars person. A car enthusiast to watch it. I didn't know a thing about cars when I started watching. I was basically a racer. If the car had a big wing, I liked it. But after watching, damn, get all this knowledge, bro. I wouldn't say that you get all this knowledge. I would say you get more invested into knowing about the whole culture of car industry and Japan. Big in Japan, big in Japan. Oh. So my score of first stage of Initial D, it's 10 out of 10 for me. It's my favorite anime, top 1 for sure. It's one of my favorite. It's top 1, but I have other, for example, Hajime no Ippo and GTO, Great Teacher Onizuka, but they will get their own videos soon. Probably. Maybe. I don't know. What else? Subscribe. These are my new series, Rada Anime Reviews, ARRE, I think. I know the production quality isn't the best, my English isn't the best, probably the worst, but it's okay. It's okay. See you next time. See you around. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Fly to me to the moon and back.